Imagine being the first human to set foot on Mars. What would you say to the world? The excitement, the thrill, the sense of accomplishment would be overwhelming. As you step out of your spacecraft and onto the Martian surface, you're not just representing yourself, you're representing humanity and the incredible feat of space exploration that has led to this moment. The journey to Mars is a long and difficult one. It takes about 6 to 9 months to get there, depending on the position of the two planets and the specific trajectory of your spacecraft. You'd have to withstand intense radiation, extreme temperatures, and a lack of gravity, which can cause all sorts of problems, from muscle loss to vision impairment. But the biggest challenge of all is probably the psychological one, being cooped up in a small spacecraft with a few other people for months on end, with no escape, no respite, and no fresh air. It's a daunting prospect, but one that astronauts are willing to endure for the sake of advancing our knowledge of the universe and pushing the boundaries of human exploration. As you look around you on the Martian surface, you'd see a barren, rocky landscape stretching out to the horizon, with towering mountains and deep valleys carved out by ancient rivers. The sky above would be a sickly yellow color, due to the presence of dust and sand particles in the atmosphere, and the air would be thin and cold, making every breath a struggle. But despite the harsh conditions, there's a beauty to Mars, a beauty that's both haunting and mesmerizing, and one that would leave you breathless and wanting more. The discovery of water on Mars has also raised hopes of finding life beyond Earth, and the possibility of one day establishing a human settlement on the Red Planet. The idea of humans living on Mars is no longer just a dream, but a goal that's being actively pursued by space agencies and private companies around the world. NASA's Artemis program, for example, aims to return humans to the lunar surface by 2025 and establish a sustainable presence on the Moon, which would serve as a stepping stone for a manned mission to Mars. The European Space Agency and other spacefaring nations are also working towards similar goals, with some even planning to send humans to Mars in the near future. But before we can set foot on Mars, there are many challenges that need to be overcome, from developing reliable life support systems to creating protective shielding from harmful radiation. The journey to Mars is also a long and arduous one, taking anywhere from 6 to 9 months, depending on the position of the two planets. And once we arrive, we'll need to contend with the harsh Martian environment, with its frequent dust storms and temperatures that can drop to 125 degrees Celsius at night. Despite these challenges, the potential rewards of exploring Mars are too great to ignore. From unlocking the secrets of the universe to expanding our understanding of the cosmos, the discovery of life on Mars would be a game changer, one that would raise fundamental questions about our place in the universe. So, what's next for space exploration? And what can we expect to see in the coming years? For that, you'll have to tune in to our next video, where we'll be exploring the latest developments in space technology and the exciting new missions that are being planned. From reusable rockets to orbiting space telescopes, we'll take a look at the innovative ideas that are taking us closer to the stars.